Greetings, gardeners. Green Garden Guy here with a real simple message today. Thank you. Just thank you. I want to thank everybody out there who watches this channel for watching it and for paying attention and asking questions and getting back to me with your comments and so on. All of you have made my life so much better, really. I'm hoping that I was able to enhance yours with some of the information that I impart, but for me, being able to have people say, hey Bill, thanks a lot, and frequently, and people from all over, it just feels great. So all you folks out there have been really good from my heart, you've been good from my brain, and I want to thank you for that. But here locally on the island, there's a lot of people watching, and local folks here, well, a lot of them have been coming into the nursery because of these videos. And so again, I want to thank all you local guys for watching. I like meeting all of you. I enjoy giving you farm tours, and I also make good use of the cash that you leave behind here as you take the plants away. And I want to thank everybody over on the mainland for contacting me about seeds. You know, it's like there's a lot of seeds going over there. But today, I made a mistake. I went to the post office and I picked up a parcel full of seeds that were shipped in from Malaysia. Some really cool stuff too. But I went and I picked up my parcel, I jumped back in the car, and my keys slipped out of my hand. And they fell down beneath the passenger seat, and I couldn't reach them. I went, oh boy, now I gotta get out and go around and get to the other side and so on. So I reach over and I push the electronic door lock button, get out of the car, slam the door shut, go around the other side, pull on the door, and oh no, the door doesn't open. Oh no. I pushed the electronic lock switch the wrong direction. I locked all the doors and my keys were inside. Ooh, bummer. You know, the post office is about 2 miles from the house, so it's not like that far if I have to walk back home to get my keys. Unfortunately, I was wearing these things, and they're not good for hiking down the side of that anyway. So I started walking, but I decided I'm going to put my thumb out. You know, you folks who live here, you know that on the Big Island we do hitchhike and people will pick you up and so on. Even big, gruff-looking guys like me get rides now and then when we need them. It's probably the last place in the United States where you can still hitchhike safely. But, so it's possible. So I put my thumb out, started walking. Just fourth car came by. Guy pulls over. I walk up to the window. He looks out and he says, hey, yeah, you're the Green Garden Guy, aren't you? I said, yeah, I am. He says, I thought so. He says, I've been by your nursery a couple of times in the past. I watch videos. And so I hop in, we talk a little, I tell him what I did, and so he went ahead, gave me a ride home, turned around, gave me a ride back to the post office, so I didn't have to make the hike. And then, of course, in return, I gave him an achacha tree for his orchard because he does not have one, and so it was a nice trade. But, you know, I don't think I'd have gotten a ride that fast, honestly, if it wasn't for the fact that people here watch my videos, people recognize my voice and my face, and I get treated really well because of this. You know, custom service there. I didn't just get a ride home, I got a ride back, you know, a little conversation and all. So, again, I'm just here to say thank you, because everybody who watches this channel, y'all make my life so much more wonderful. Hang loose and aloha.